Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Civica Occupational Health Software with the SpiroConnect PC-based spirometer. Why should you use the Civica Occupational Health Software integration with your PC-based SpiroConnect? This seamless connection provides a secure data connection between the PC-based equipment and the occupational health software in compliance with GDPR. In addition, it removes the need to manage and maintain multiple databases, avoiding data errors and potential data loss. There is no additional database to secure or maintain. There is no need to enter data manually, which saves time and reduces manual errors. Finally, there is no need to print, scan and download the results, therefore improving workflows and protecting the environment. From the employee's file page, you'll find their clinical history, allergies and other details of their medical record. To start a health surveillance procedure, click on Continue. To add a spirometry test, you need to click on Add Activity. This opens a dialog box where you can insert spirometry and then click on Confirm. Then click on Start and Start Activity in the dialog box to begin the procedure. You now need to add some additional information such as the start date. Then you need to scroll down and add information about the subject such as the height, weight, ethnicity and their smoking habits. You can then click on Start Test. Now, Civica Occupational Health Software will connect to your spirometer test module. Here, this system has already been configured to run with SpiroConnect. The SpiroConnect Data Manager test window will open and you can run the test. Once the test is finished, you can click on Save and Exit and close the window. The test results have been automatically populated into the current record. Further down the form, you'll find the predicted and obtained measurements from the test. At the end of the form, you need to add the attendance date and select the outcome of the test. Finally, you can mark as complete, click on OK to save it. To view the spirometry graphs, you need to click on Documents here and then download the PDF. In this PDF, you'll be able to see a complete detail of the test, such as acceptance criteria matching the ATS/ERS 2019 guidelines. Variability, the relaxed and forced test results with their full interpretation graphs. Once finished, you can click on Close and Save to finish your spirometry health surveillance procedure. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about our audiometers, spirometers and other Amplivox solutions, please see the amplivox.com website.